How to order from Temu in Pakistan with Easypaisa. As you can see, there is no option to pay with Easypaisa. Don't worry, I show you the method that I use. Transfer your money from Easypaisa to bank account. Attach your bank card here. Now submit order, and your order is placed. Thanks for watching.